Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
We are so happy to see you again. Thank you for coming back and learning English with us.
I'm Tom.
And I'm Anna.
Today we have a very useful lesson. We are going to learn how to use get, got, and getting in English.
I hear these words every day, but they still confuse many English learners.
Yes, and don't worry if you feel the same. By the end of this lesson, you will understand these words much better.
Today, we will learn their meanings, how native speakers use them, where we use them in daily English, and how to make easy sentences.
We will also learn positive sentences, negative sentences, questions, WH questions, common expressions, pronunciation tips, and many real-life conversations.
And I will make some mistakes on purpose.
That's right. Then I will help correct them because many beginners make the same mistakes.
We also have small quizzes and speaking practice.
So stay with us until the end. You will feel much more confident using these words every day.
Let's begin.
First, let's talk about the word get.
What does get mean?
Great question. The word get has many meanings.
Many meanings? Just one word?
Exactly. That is why it is so common in English.
So what is the first meaning?
The first meaning is receive.
Can you give us some examples?
Of course.
I'm ready.
I get many emails every day.
She gets a birthday card every year.
They get good news from their teacher.
We get messages on our phones.
Very good.
So here, get means receive.
Exactly.
Can I say, I get a gift on my birthday?
Perfect.
That was easy.
Let's learn another meaning.
I'm ready.
Sometimes get means buy.
Really?
Yes.
Can you show us?
I need to get some milk.
She got a new dress yesterday.
We are getting some food after work.
Oh, that sounds very natural.
Native speakers say this all the time.
So instead of saying buy, people often say get.
Exactly.
I like that.
Now another meaning.
There are more?
Yes.
Wow.
Get can also mean become.
Can you explain that simply?
Of course.
Go ahead.
Look at this sentence.
Okay.
I get tired after work.
So I become tired.
Exactly.
Can I say, she gets angry quickly?
Perfect.
They get hungry after school.
Excellent.
We get excited before a trip.
Wonderful.
Now I understand.
Let's learn another meaning.
I'm ready.
Sometimes get means arrive.
Really?
Yes.
Can you give an example?
I get home at 6.
What time do you get to school?
We got there early.
They get to the airport before noon.
Excellent.
So get can mean arrive.
Exactly.
No wonder native speakers use it so much.
Yes, it is one of the most common English words.
Now I have a question.
Go ahead.
What is the difference between get and got?
Very important question.
Many students ask this.
The answer is simple.
Tell us.
Get is the base form.
Okay.
Got is usually the past form.
So today I say get.
Yes.
Yesterday I say got.
Exactly.
Let's see some examples.
Today I get many phone calls.
Yesterday I got many phone calls.
Today I get good ideas.
Yesterday I got a great idea.
Today I get coffee before work.
Yesterday I got coffee before work.
Very nice.
Let me try one.
Go ahead.
Yesterday I get a new laptop.
Almost correct.
Really?
Yes.
What should I say?
Yesterday I got a new laptop.
Because yesterday is in the past.
Exactly.
I think many learners make this mistake.
Yes, they do.
Now I will remember.
Great job.
Can we talk about getting now?
Of course.
What does getting mean?
Getting is the ing form of get.
When do we use it?
We often use it with am, is, are, was, were, and be.
Can you show us?
I am getting ready.
She is getting better.
They are getting stronger.
We are getting close to the station.
Excellent.
So it shows something is happening now or changing.
Exactly.
Can I say, I am getting hungry?
Perfect.
I am getting sleepy.
Excellent.
He is getting taller.
Perfect.
They are getting busy.
Wonderful. Native speakers really use this a lot. Every single day.
Let's compare all three together.
Great idea.
Please help us.
Listen carefully.
I'm listening.
I get many emails every day.
Present.
I got many emails yesterday.
Past.
I am getting many emails now.
Happening now.
Exactly.
That makes everything much easier.
Let's practice together.
Yes.
Complete this sentence.
Everyone, answer before Tom does.
Yesterday, a gift.
Think carefully.
The answer is
Got.
correct.
Let's try another.
I am ready.
What is the answer?
Getting.
Very good.
One more.
Let's do it.
I usually home at 7.
Pause the video if you need more time.
The answer is
Get.
excellent.
This is fun.
Learning English should be fun.
Can we learn sentence patterns now?
Absolutely.
Let's start with positive sentences.
The first easy pattern is
Subject plus get plus object.
exactly.
Can you give examples?
I get good grades.
She gets fresh fruit every morning.
We get free coffee at work.
They get help from their teacher.
Very good.
Now, the past pattern.
Subject plus got plus object.
Examples, please.
I got a message.
She got a job.
We got tickets.
They got permission.
Excellent.
Now, the getting pattern.
Subject plus am, is, or are plus getting plus the rest of the sentence.
Can you give examples?
I am getting dressed.
She is getting ready.
They are getting nervous before the test.
We are getting closer to our goal.
Perfect.
Now let's make negative sentences.
Good idea.
How do we make a negative sentence with get?
Use do not or does not.
Examples.
I do not get many emails.
She does not get enough sleep.
They do not get good service.
We do not get many holidays.
Excellent.
How about got?
Use did not get.
Can you explain why we don't say did not got?
Great question. After did, we always use the base form of the verb.
So we say did not get, not did not got.
Exactly. That's one of the most common mistakes English learners make.
I think I will never forget that now.
That's the goal.
Everyone watching, say it with us.
Didn't get.
Not didn't got.
Great job, everyone. Let's keep going.
I already feel much more confident.
That makes me happy to hear.
Now can we learn how to ask questions with get, got, and getting?
Of course. Questions are very important because we use them every day.
Let's start with get.
For the present simple, we use do or does.
Can you show us the pattern?
Yes. Do or does, then the subject, then get, and then the rest of the sentence.
Examples, please.
Do you get up early?
Does she get home late?
Do they get enough practice?
Do we get free parking?
Excellent.
Now questions with got.
For the past, we use did.
And after did, we use get, not got, right?
Exactly. You remembered.
Examples.
Did you get my message?
Did she get the tickets?
Did they get lost?
Did we get everything?
Perfect.
Now questions with getting.
We move the helping verb to the front.
Like, are you getting?
Exactly.
Examples.
Are you getting tired?
Is she getting better?
Are they getting ready?
Am I getting better at English?
Yes, you are.
That was a nice answer.
Now, let's learn WH questions.
I hear these every day.
Yes, we use words like what, where, when, why, who, and how.
Can we start with what?
Sure.
Examples?
What did you get for your birthday?
What are you getting for dinner?
What do you usually get at the coffee shop?
Very easy.
Now, where?
Go ahead.
Where did you get your shoes?
Where do you get your groceries?
Where are you getting your information?
Nice.
Now, when?
Examples?
When do you get home?
When did you get there?
When are you getting married?
Good examples.
Now, why?
Let's hear them.
Why did you get angry?
Why are you getting worried?
Why do you get nervous before exams?
I like these examples because they sound very natural.
That's because native speakers use them every day.
Can we practice together?
Absolutely.
I'll ask.
I'll answer.
What did you get yesterday?
I got a new notebook.
Where did you get it?
I got it from a bookstore.
When did you buy it?
I got it yesterday afternoon.
Very nice.
Now it's my turn.
I'm ready.
What are you getting for lunch?
I'm getting a sandwich.
Why are you getting a sandwich?
Because I'm very hungry.
Excellent.
These questions are easy after some practice.
Exactly.
Now I have another question.
Go ahead.
Sometimes I hear people say, I got it.
Excellent expression.
What does it mean?
It has two common meanings.
Really?
Yes.
Tell us.
First, it can mean I understand.
Can you show us?
Teacher, please finish your homework.
Student, got it.
That means I understand.
Very useful.
Second, it can mean I received it.
Example?
Friend, did you get my email?
Yes, I got it.
Perfect.
I hear this in movies all the time.
Exactly.
Another expression?
How about let's get started?
I hear that on YouTube.
It simply means let's begin.
Easy.
Another common one is get ready.
That means prepare.
Exactly.
How about get well soon?
Great one.
People say that when someone is sick.
Exactly.
Can you give us more daily expressions?
Sure.
Let's learn them.
Get dressed.
Put your clothes on.
Get married.
Become husband and wife.
Get lost.
Lose your way.
Get inside.
Go inside.
Get outside.
Go outside.
Get back.
Return.
Get in.
Enter a car.
Get out.
Leave a car or a place.
Excellent.
Now I understand why get is everywhere.
Exactly.
Can we practice with real-life conversations?
Let's do it.
Imagine we are at home.
Good idea.
Tom, did you get the milk?
Yes, I got it this morning.
Where did you get it?
I got it from the supermarket.
Great.
Now, let's imagine we are at school.
Okay.
Did you get today's homework?
Yes, I got it from the teacher.
Do you understand it?
Yes, I got it.
Excellent use of the same expression.
Now let's go to the office.
Sounds good.
Did you get my report?
Yes, I got it this morning.
Are you getting ready for the meeting?
Yes, I'm getting everything ready now.
Very natural.
Now, let's travel.
I love traveling.
Excuse me, what time do we get to London?
We get there at 6 o'clock.
Did everyone get on the bus?
Yes, everyone got on.
Wonderful.
Shopping next?
Let's go.
Did you get anything today?
Yes, I got a new jacket.
Where did you get it?
I got it at the mall.
Nice.
Now, a phone conversation.
Hello, Tom.
Hi, Anna.
Did you get my text message?
Sorry, I didn't get it.
I'll send it again.
Thanks.
That sounds like real life.
Because it is.
Can we practice with mistake correction?
Absolutely.
I say, yesterday I get sick.
Almost correct.
What's the right sentence?
Yesterday, I got sick.
Next one.
Go ahead.
I didn't got your email.
Correct it.
I didn't get your email.
Excellent.
Next one.
I'm listening.
She getting better.
Almost.
She is getting better.
Perfect.
Next.
Go ahead.
Did you got home early?
After did, we use get.
So the correct sentence is, did you get home early?
Exactly.
One more.
Let's do it.
He don't get enough sleep.
Can everyone fix this before I answer?
Pause the video if you need a moment.
Ready?
The answer is,
He doesn't get enough sleep.
excellent.
Now let's do a quick fill-in-the-blank activity.
Everyone answer with us.
Yesterday I blank a beautiful gift.
Got.
She is blank ready for school.
Getting.
Do you blank up early?
Get.
They didn't blank the tickets.
Get.
We blank home at 7 every day.
Get.
Fantastic.
Let's do one more challenge.
I'll say a sentence.
I'll change it to the past.
I get many emails.
I got many emails.
We get hungry after school.
We got hungry after school.
They get good news.
They got good news.
Excellent.
Now you change them into getting sentences.
Good idea.
I get tired.
I'm getting tired.
She gets stronger.
She is getting stronger.
The weather gets cold.
The weather is getting cold.
Amazing.
Everyone watching, try making your own sentence with get, got, and getting.
Write your examples in the comments.
We would love to read them.
Don't worry if you make small mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Exactly.
Before we finish, let's quickly review today's lesson.
Get is usually used for the present.
It can mean receive, buy, become, and arrive, and many other things.
Got is usually the past form of get.
Remember, after did or didn't, always use get, not got.
Getting is the ing form.
We often use it with am, is, are, was, and were.
It often shows something happening now or a change.
Now here's an easy memory trick.
I'm listening.
Think like this.
Okay.
Today, get.
Yesterday, got.
Right now, getting.
That's so easy to remember.
Exactly. Keep repeating that simple pattern.
Today, get.
Yesterday, got.
Right now, getting.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We hope this lesson helped you feel more confident speaking English.
Practice a little every day.
Even 10 minutes of practice can make a big difference.
Don't be afraid to speak.
Every sentence you speak makes you better.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a like.
Subscribe to English with Tom and Anna for more easy English lessons.
Share this lesson with your family and friends who are learning English.
And don't forget to comment using one sentence with get, one with got, and one with getting.
We can't wait to read your examples.
Take care.
Keep smiling.
Keep practicing.
And keep speaking English every single day.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.